AI servers are expected to spread rapidly. They generate documents, images, videos, music, programs, and other content on our behalf. Processing large volumes of data requires massive computation, and the demand for faster speeds continues to grow every moment. At the same time, general servers are still widely used. Currently, in order to equip AI servers with functions that meet the growing demand for AI servers are equipped with not only traditional CPUs but also accelerators specialized for high-speed computation. Stable power supply is a major issue in responding to the increasing volume and speed of data. When accelerators require high current, the power unit on the circuit board may become overloaded, leading to a voltage drop. As a result, the core processor itself may stop functioning. Our conductive polymer capacitors feature low ESR and high capacity, meeting high speed and high current demands. They provides a stable power supply and supports the operation of high-performance accelerators. Furthermore, with the increasing volume and speed of data, it is necessary to ensure the quality of electrical signals to enable fast and efficient processing. The Megtrend series of multi-layer circuit board materials offers excellent dielectric properties, minimizing transmission loss of electrical signal. It enables high multi-layering and supports complex circuit configurations, and contributes to the advancement of AI servers. With AI in data centers, base stations, automated manufacturing systems, autonomous driving systems, and the logistics sector are advancing in big data. AI is essential to our daily lives. Panasonic Industry will continue to contribute to a better future through a variety of device technologies.
Your committed enabler. Panasonic Industry.